Timber! I'm sinking!
Oh, this bridge is scary. Take it easy, Ricky. I can do it. Atta boy.
All right, Barnaby, that should do it.
Buster, I think you gave me too much. It's really heavy.
Keep it coming. Looks good.
Oh, no! Whoa! Help! No, no!
Time to top you off!
Looks good.
Scoop time! Scoop time! Let's get to work! Oh, no! Timber! I'm sinking!
Whoa!
Oops! Ah! Help! Oh, no! Together we can do it! Right on time! Thanks, team! Let's go!
Keep it steady. Good. Just like that. Plenty of room. Almost done. Perfect. Finally! Finally! Sorry for the wait, Rusty.
Let's go, Digby! Hang on, Jumper!
We're moving!
Almost there! Thanks, big guy. No problem. Let's go! I've got you. Just hold on. Wow, we're really moving now. Let's go. Keep it steady. Not much further now. Careful. We don't want to break it. Almost there. Thanks, Grumble. All right, hold tight. I'm trying. Oh, this is tough. One last big pull. Yeah, you got it. We did it. Thank you. Pulling you right out, buddy.
Oh, thank you! Thank you so much!
Honk. Woohoo! Check out this mud! Yeah! Get some! Nothing can stop Red's hauling. Keep trying. We've got this. Thank you. I'm almost free. Just a little more. Whoa, whoa. Not good. Watch out below. Help.
I'm so tired!
I'm sorry. Almost there. Keep pushing. Just a little more. We did it. All right, time to get this done. Let's go. Whoa, this is bumpy. Hold on tight. We got this. Keep moving. Almost there.
Whoa! The bridge! Oh no, here I go. Ah, splashdown. Oops. I'm driving down the road, so happy to be here. A brand new day has come. Let's get... Honk. Honk, honk. Honk, honk. Whistle. Honk, honk.